Dogman and the Wrath of Petey. Action, drama, laughs. A epic novella by George Beard and Harold Hutchins. Dogman was the best cop of the world. We love you, Dogman. But he had one weakness. Hey, Dogman, quit eating out of that garbage can. Much. And quit rolling in that dead fish. And quit sniffing that other dog. Dogman was awesome, but he sure was stinky. Pew. You need a bath, Dogman. Brr! Oh. How come he ran away? Don't you know, all dogs need baths. Oh yeah, I forgot. Here, Dogman! Here, Dogman! The cops searched the city, but they couldn't find Dogman nowhere. Soon the news reached Petey at the jail. Awesome! Now is my big chance. If I could only reach that jail window, I could escape the jail. Hey, I got an idea. The toilet got clogged and overflowish. The water rose higher and higher. Soon, then, and so, I'm free! Petey went on a crime spree. He robbed banks. Aw, man, he stole juice. Gimme! No fair! He even hijacked cars. Stop, thief! Yeehaw! But no cops could ever catch him. Gee, I sure wish Dogman would come back. Me too. Meanwhile, Dogman was hiding in an alley. Then, news. Petey went amok. But where is Dogman, huh? Dogman felt ashamed. He knew he must be brave. So Dogman returned bravely to save the day. Dogman searched for Petey. He soon picked up a trail. It led straight to Petey's hideout. But it was a trap. Guess what? It's bath time. Dogman got scared. Come and get it. He digged a hole to get away. Dogman digged and digged, but Petey followed him down the hole. Here I come! Dogman dug all the way under the zoo. He came up in the stuck to the cage. Dogman liked sneaky stuff, but that was too much. But you reek! Let me get out of here! Petey ran out of the hole, right into a cop's net. Gotcha! You're going to jail, Buster! Rats. Flip-O-Rama. Here's how to do it. Put your left down there on dotted line. Hold the other page with your thumb. Flip the page back and forth. It makes it look like a moving cartoon. Bath time for Dogman. So Petey went back to cat jail. Rats! And Dogman learned his lesson. You smoke weed. Hooray for Dogman! Hooray for Dogman! Hooray! The end. This has been a presentation of Trios Comics Inc. All rights reserved.